Wireless earbuds for work, boosting productivity and focus. Title: Wireless earbuds for work, boosting productivity and focus. Introduction. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, the ability to stay focused and productive at work is essential. With the rise of remote work and open office environments, finding ways to create a personal workspace and enhance concentration has become increasingly important. One innovative solution that has gained popularity in recent years is the use of wireless earbuds for work. By providing an immersive and interruption-free audio experience, wireless earbuds can significantly boost productivity and help individuals maintain their focus throughout the workday. In this article, we will explore the benefits of wireless earbuds in the workplace and how they can revolutionize your work experience. 1. Noise cancellation. One of the primary advantages of wireless earbuds is their ability to effectively block out background noise, allowing users to create their own soundproof environment. Whether you work in a busy office or from the comfort of your home, ambient noises can be distracting and hinder your ability to concentrate. By eliminating or reducing external sounds, wireless earbuds enable you to focus solely on your tasks, resulting in improved productivity. 2. Increased focus and immersion. Wireless earbuds not only help cancel out unwanted noise but also create a cocoon-like atmosphere where you can dive into your work and enhance your focus. The absence of environmental disturbances, such as co-worker conversations or the hum of machinery, allows your mind to fully engage with the task at hand. With wireless earbuds, you can harness your concentration, enter a state of flow, and achieve higher levels of productivity. 3. Music and productivity. Numerous studies have shown that listening to music can positively impact productivity. Well-curated playlists or instrumental tracks can enhance mood, motivation, and cognitive performance. Wireless earbuds provide an excellent platform to enjoy music while working, allowing you to tailor your audio experience to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you prefer calming melodies or energetic beats to keep you focused, wireless earbuds provide the flexibility to create your ideal working ambience. 4. Seamless communication. Wireless earbuds are not only great for working independently but also ideal for communication and collaboration. Many wireless earbud models offer built-in microphones and advanced audio processing technologies, making them perfect for virtual meetings, conference calls, and video chats. With wireless earbuds, you can communicate effortlessly and clearly, ensuring efficient and effective interactions with colleagues, clients, and business partners. 5. Mobility and flexibility. With the advent of remote work, the ability to work on the go has become increasingly important. Traditional wired headphones can be cumbersome and limit your mobility. Wireless earbuds, on the other hand, offer ultimate freedom of movement, allowing you to work, exercise, or commute without being tethered to your device. Whether you need to take a call while walking or catch up on emails during your commute, wireless earbuds provide the flexibility to multitask and be productive from anywhere. 6. Comfort and ergonomics. Wireless earbuds are designed with comfort in mind, often featuring ergonomic shapes and lightweight materials. They are specifically crafted to fit securely and snugly in your ears, providing a portable and secure listening experience. With long-lasting battery life and minimal charging time, wireless earbuds ensure uninterrupted usage throughout your workday without causing discomfort or distractions. 7. Minimal distractions and interruptions. In open office environments, distractions from colleagues, phone calls, or nearby conversations can hinder productivity. Wireless earbuds act as a physical barrier, signaling to others that you are immersed in your work and minimizing interruptions. The use of earbuds can encourage a more focused and respectful work environment, ensuring that your valuable time is not disrupted unnecessarily. 8. Health and safety benefits. In addition to their productivity-boosting features, wireless earbuds also offer health and safety benefits in the workplace. Traditional headphones with long and tangled cords can pose tripping hazards, especially in busy office environments. Wireless earbuds eliminate this risk by providing a cord-free solution, allowing for safe movement and reducing the chance of accidents or injuries. Wires can also get caught on objects, causing discomfort and frustration, which can be avoided entirely with wireless earbuds. 9. Compatibility and connectivity. Wireless earbuds are designed to be compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. They utilize Bluetooth technology to establish a seamless and stable connectivity, ensuring hassle-free connectivity. 10. Long battery life. Another advantage of wireless earbuds is their long battery life. Most models offer extended usage time, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted audio for the duration of your workday. With a single charge, wireless earbuds can provide several hours of playback, ensuring that you remain productive without experiencing any sudden interruptions or the need to constantly recharge. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who require extended periods of focus and concentration. 11. Versatility for different work environments. Wireless earbuds are versatile and suitable for various work environments. Whether you work in a busy office, a co-working space, or from the comfort of your home, wireless earbuds can adapt to your surroundings. They can effectively block out office chatter, background noise, or household distractions, creating a personal sanctuary for productivity. By customizing your audio experience, wireless earbuds allow you to create the ideal working environment, regardless of your physical location. 12. Cost-effectiveness. When compared to traditional wired headphones, wireless earbuds can be a cost-effective choice. While some high-end models may come with a higher price tag, there are numerous affordable options available on the market that provide excellent audio quality and functionality. Additionally, wireless earbuds tend to have a longer lifespan due to their durability and resistance to wear and tear. This longevity makes them a worthy investment for individuals seeking long-term productivity and focus enhancement. 13. Aesthetics and style. Wireless earbuds also offer a sleek and stylish appearance, adding a touch of sophistication to your workspace. Unlike bulky wired headphones, wireless earbuds are discreet and minimalist in design, providing a polished and professional look. With various colors and models to choose from, you can find wireless earbuds that complement your personal style and enhance your overall work aesthetic. 14. Environmental consciousness. By opting for wireless earbuds, you contribute to reducing electronic waste. Traditional wired headphones often suffer from fraying cables or loose connections over time, resulting in the need for frequent replacements. Wireless earbuds, on the other hand, are durable and long-lasting, reducing the amount of electronic waste generated. By choosing wireless earbuds, you promote sustainability and environmentally friendly practices in the workplace.